Hi, this is Deborah Shearer of Table and Dine, and welcome to my table. Today I'm talking about easy entertaining and how to set a whimsical Christmas table for a small gathering. The holidays are such a special time of the year, and I love the feeling of magic in the air. And since Christmas is around the corner, it's time to turn up the Christmas music, hang some tinsel, string some lights, and find your inner fa-la-la. Since this year's celebrations will be more intimate with immediate family, kids, and grandkids, we look to Mud Pie for some whimsical ways to host the holidays in 2020, sprinkled with some Christmas magic. If you're looking to keep it casual for Christmas brunch or dinner this year, let go of the fancy tablescape and set a buffet style, or what I like to call a grazing table. Guests can help themselves to your menu of holiday recipes and treats, which also gives you time to mix, mingle, and enjoy your family and friends. For this table I set with Mud Pie, I began with layering a cream-colored throw, topped with plaid to give the table a warm and inviting look, and something that would complement the merriment of Mud Pie's Christmas serveware and accessories. Next, I layered dinner plates and Santa salad plates. I rolled napkins, tied them with twine, tucked in some fresh greenery, and added a cinnamon stick. I also added fresh flowers, a few ornaments, a Christmas gnome or two, and candles for some easy holiday table decor. 'Tis the season for a hot chocolate bar, since it's a festivity loved by both big and little kids. It's an easy station to put together and can be set the night before Christmas. But really, a hot chocolate bar is a fun gathering any day or night of the holiday season. Keep it simple. Set out a few Santa mugs, bowls of assorted toppings like floating snowman marshmallows, chocolate sprinkles, candy canes, and of course, plenty of whipped cream. Right before you're ready to serve, mix up a batch of homemade or packaged hot chocolate and let the kids and adults have fun topping their cups with their favorite treats. When your work is done, it's time to kick back, relax, and enjoy the company of family and good friends. Take some time to dig into the delicious foods, sip on your favorite cocktail, and indulge in all the delicious desserts and holiday cookies. Whatever your plans are this holiday season, from my table to yours, merry everything.